Alright, so now we're going to do the veins from the abdominal aorta. We have the cephalic artery, and cephalic trunk, and it's an artery. And so we have the splenic artery branching off from the cephalic, and it's these two up here, right, the splenic. And then we have the gastric, the left gastric coming right up here. And then the hepatic goes towards the back, towards the liver. That's that one right there, and we can see it on this side coming in here. Here it is. And then we have the cystic artery. We have the gastroduodenal coming up here. And then we should have the right gastric. It would have been coming from here to here somewhere into the stomach. Then we have the cranial-mesenteric artery, which is the second branch from the abdominal aorta. We have the iliocolic going to the part of the intestine, so it would be this one. This is the iliocolic. You can just see where it goes to the ileum and the colon. Right up here should be. The middle colic would be probably this one, but it's broken. These are the intestinal arteries, all the ones in the mesentery, and then we just have to identify the pancreatico-duodenal, which would be, looks like it's broken, because it would be coming somewhere here. It would be coming into here somewhere, from here into here. Right? It's broken?
It's broken.
Yeah. Where is it? No, it's not that one.
No,
Yeah,
it's
so
broken.
it's not there. Alright, and then the caudal-mesenteric, we have the cranial-rectal coming here. And then we have the other branch going to the left colic, which would be here.
Where it meets with the other one.
Yeah, and then that one would meet with the, is it the pancreatico-duodenal? No.
The middle.
The middle colic. It would meet with the middle colic. Like that. So is this the middle colic?
No, with the one that is missing.
The one that's missing, so
Yeah.
we can't see that branch. Alright. Now we go to the to the paired arteries. And then we would first see the adrenolumbar. It would be above the renal, so it would be this one right here, the first branch on the left. That's the adrenolumbar coming into the adrenal glands and then the muscles of the lumbar. The renal arteries going to the kidneys. Then we would see the gonadal, and if it's a female, it would be the ovarian artery. And then the very last one is the deep iliac circumflex. And then from here, the aorta branches into being the external iliac artery, which is here. And then the internal iliac artery, which is this one right here. I can grab it. We have the first branch going to be the umbilical artery. We have the pudendal artery going to the shameful places. We have this other branch on the left-hand side being the left caudal-gluteal. And then we have the craniogluteal, which seems to have been broken. It would have been right here, but it's broken. And then we have the median sacral going to the tail, which would be back here, right here. from the back. We have the external iliac artery coming down to the lower extremity. We have the first branch out being the deep femoral. The second branch over here being the muscular artery. This down here is the saphenous artery. This one on the top would be the lateral femoral circumflex. This continues to be the popliteal, but you identify the popliteal on this side in the popliteal fossa. And then the veins are simpler. They're going to come back up, and this is the external iliac vein, and this is the internal iliac vein. And then it comes up here. This is the common iliac vein, and that empties into the abdominal vena cava or the caudal vena cava. And that's it for the arteries.